Alright, so this is beautiful weather outside and I decided it's time for a bike. And also I got some plastics for it that I'll show you in a second. So the frame and everything else, wiring and stuff, is pretty solid on this bike right now. So next step would be plastics. I still didn't order any hardware for it, but I'm gonna use whatever leftover from other bike and from other plastics and put it together, and then order a new hardware set, which is, it's not that expensive. It's like $30 for everything, and then I need mirrors, yeah. But right now I'm gonna put together whatever I can and see how the bike's gonna turn out. Alright, so this is all the plastics. So it's like black and white. So now I'm gonna figure out from this how this is gonna be put together, then installed on the bike. Alright, so bike is mostly together. Still need to put some stuff together here. I'm waiting for my taillight that I ordered. Other than that, so far it's really good. I just applied it for now because I wanted to test drive it. But I got some new levers, and also I got the new little tank to install. So far I'm really happy with it. I think it looks really nice. So can't put the seat on because I'm still like waiting on some parts over there. Front guard, tire guard, I need to put that in, and also I didn't realize I need to put the grill thingy in here, so that's on my list. So right now I'm going to install these levers and also tank. Alright, so I jump start the bike because stupid me forgot to turn the key off, so I was sitting overnight and it was really dead. But I finished installing this, and I put new fluid in and I bleed them, so they work really good. I installed the windshield and I'll do levers a little bit later, but right now I wanna test drive it. So there it is, runs, drives. Just need to put some more stuff on it, but decent. I like it. Still waiting for mirrors and some other stuff, but yeah. What do you think about the bike?
Junk.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I'll sell it to you.
I don't want that.
2K.
I don't want that.
Why not?
I don't want that crap.
You like it?
Nah, dude. Take it to the gym.
Bike?
Yeah.
It's not registered yet.
So, something close.
I'm not taking it. Looks nice though.
Nah, dude.
Where's this piece of crap?
Is she leaving soon?
My wife?
Yes.
Yes. Dude, it looks so good. I don't know why I hate it.
I don't hate it.
You look good. You look good next to it, dude. It's all yours.
Why is
2.5.
it dead?
2.5.
Is it dead?
2,500?
If you replace the battery, yeah.
It's not dead. It's nice. Alright, so this is gonna be it for today. And next video I'm probably gonna be working in a white car again. Even though everybody hates it because I get no views on that thing. Anyway, bye.